Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we're going to revise the respiratory system. Please open your pamphlet, page 8. Let's start with match. Number 1, the nose will be with number D. Filters dirt and dust from inhaled air. Number 2, the pharynx will be with A. Passes air to the larynx. Number 3, the larynx will be with E. The larynx is the voice box. Number 4, the trachea. The trachea will be with F. The trachea passes air to the two lungs. Number 5, the lungs will be with C. Are filled with air while breathing. Number 6, the diaphragm will be with B. The diaphragm is a muscle under the lungs. Put true or false. Number 1, the respiratory system starts with the nose. That's right. Number 2, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. That's true. Number 3, the diaphragm is a muscle above the two lungs. That's wrong. It's a muscle under the two lungs. Open page 9. Continue. Number 4, it's better to breathe through the mouth. That's wrong. It's better to breathe through the nose. Number 5, the larynx is the voice box. That's true. Number 6, the stomach is a part of the respiratory system. That's wrong. The stomach is a part of the digestive system. We didn't mention stomach in our respiratory system. Give one word, write a scientific term. Number 1, the system that supplies the body with oxygen is a respiratory system. Number 2, the strong tube that passes air to the lung is the trachea. When I say strong tube, it's only tube, one tube, it's trachea. When I say two small tubes, then it's bronchi, okay? Number 3, a muscle below the two lungs. It's the diaphragm. Number 4, it removes dirt and dust from inhaled air, the nose. Number 5, the voice box of the human body is the larynx. Number 6, the gas we inhale, the gas enters our body, is the oxygen. Open page 10. Write the scientific term. The tube that takes air to the lungs, when I say the tube, it's trachea. Number 2, the first organ in the respiratory system is the nose. Sponge-like organs in the respiratory system, lungs. Complete. Number 1, it's better to breathe through the nose. Excellent. Number 2, the trachea branches into two small tubes called bronchi. When I say two small tubes, it's bronchi. The trachea is a tube that passes air to the lungs. It's trachea because I said a tube, not two small tubes. Number 4, when we breathe out, air goes. Space, the lungs. When we breathe out, air goes from or out of the lungs. Okay? Open page 11. Choose. When we breathe out, the chest becomes tight. Breathe out. You noticed that your chest becomes smaller. Try to breathe in. When you breathe in, the air goes in or out of the lungs. The air goes in the lungs. Okay? Put true or false. Number 1, we need oxygen to live. True, we need oxygen to live. We can't live without oxygen. We can't breathe without oxygen. Number 2, The two bronchi passes air to the nose? No, that's wrong. The two bronchi passes air to what? To the lungs. Number 3, we have 4 lungs. Wrong. We have 2 lungs. Number 4, when we breathe in, the chest becomes smaller. Try to breathe in. You notice that your chest becomes bigger, not smaller. Okay, let's label the respiratory system. First one, we have the nose. Second one refers to the pharynx. And this box is the larynx. After the larynx, we have trachea. And this line at the left refers to lungs. And the last label will be the alveoli. Okay? Open page 12. Let's start with the left side. When we breathe in. When we breathe in, it means that we inhale. When we inhale, the diaphragm moves down and the air goes into the lungs. And what becomes bigger in size? Our chest becomes bigger in size. So when we breathe out, that means we exhale and the diaphragm pushes up, the air goes out of the lungs and our chest becomes smaller in size. Thank you and good luck.